welcome back to my channel. We have a little different background today. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to, like, what part of my room I want to film. So for now, it's just gonna be this. If you're new to my channel, I am Isabel, aka Latina X Baby. I film videos, obviously, because that's why you're here. Okay, so today we're going to be filming a get ready with me. I wanted to do some really cute bubblegum pink euphoria vibe look, so that's what we're gonna do today. So the first thing we're gonna do today is just prime. Do your normal routine when it comes to priming and doing your eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my normal routine with priming and my eyebrows, and I will be right back to start this euphoria look or whatever. Or whatever. I changed the lighting a little bit. I'm sorry this lighting keeps changing, girl. I don't even know, like, I'm so frustrated with my lighting. But okay, I just did my eyebrows and I primed my face. Now we're gonna get straight on into the makeup look. What I usually do is I conceal my brows, so I underline them. How do I say that? I underline them, and then I pull down the concealer and apply it to my lid, and then right after that we start applying the shadow. So we'll just go in with concealer first. I'm gonna go in with Total Coverage Concealer by BH. It's hecka dirty, so I'm not gonna show it. So I'm gonna start to conceal and then we'll go from there. Bring down the concealer so we can start applying our eyeshadow. I'm gonna get the palette ready just because my lids crease the second if I don't put eyeshadow, why are you not? If I don't put eyeshadow on right away, then it starts to crease for some reason. I'm gonna go get that and I'll be right back. Since I don't know exactly what colors I want to use, I am going to kind of like play around. So I don't know the exact colors. I do know that I want a transition shade right now, which is a brown. So I'm gonna go in with a brown, and I've been obsessed with using these two synthetic brushes. This one is from BH and it is 101, and then the e.l.f. blending brush. I've been super obsessed with using those two. I'm gonna go in with this Coastal Scents palette. It's like really big and has like multiple shadows. But I'm just gonna go in with this like really light brown right here and try to go in just softly, not a lot, because it's just a transition shade. Oh, transition shade, nothing super dark. So I'm gonna aim it towards the top where my brown bone is. And you can kind of see it's already showing up. So I'm just going to go on lightly, and then whatever that was on the brush, just continue. And that looks like it's pretty much in. And I try to tap off as much as possible. Before our concealer sets and is dry. I'm going in with this really cute neon hot pink down here and the corally one on top, just because it's like a bubblegum vibe. And this one you don't have to like tap your brush or anything, just put it straight on. Ooh, I guess bubblegum is like not as neon as this, huh? And then I'm gonna quickly do that to the other side. Same brush to kind of just like slowly blend it out, adding a little bit more because I feel like it lost its color. Now we pretty much added every color we wanted from that palette, and now I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH, and there are two pinks in here. There's like our super neon one, and then there's like a semi neon color one. I'm going to take the semi neon one, and I'm going to apply that towards the outside but before the brown. And then last thing we're gonna do is take this bubblegum, actual bubblegum pink, and it's a little bit shiny, it's not matte. We're looking like a hot mess, but you're gonna take the other synthetic brush and just blend it. Oh shit, I think there's like leftover of something else on it. Oops. Oh well. Okay, and then that's pretty much it for the pink part. I feel like I do want a pop of like something in the middle, just to give this look a little vibe. So I am going to take a little bit of that concealer, probably just whatever you have left over in the brush, and apply it directly into the center. And then kind of go up so that we have just a little tiny bit, and do the same thing to the other side. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty 24 karat and just take my finger and dip into it, make sure we get a good little amount, and then put it on the center of my lid. Yes, bitch. Yes. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yes, bitch. Do you see that shit? Fenty coming through. I'm going to apply some lashes. It's super simple. The main part is the diamonds. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some lashes and I'll be right back. I have completed putting on the lashes. These actually aren't the normal lashes that I would put on, but I don't know how I feel about them. It's okay. So now we're going to apply our foundation. I am horrible at picking my shade. I'm gonna go in with the Stila Stay All Day foundation, which is pretty dark for me. I'm going with the LA Girl Pro Matte shade. It's like super light, but I'm gonna like mix the two. Put a little bit on my finger. Start like putting it places. Wow, that's white. I don't know how much coverage it has, so I don't want to put too much. I'm going to dip my finger in the matte Stay All Day foundation, which kind of has already some other foundation in it mixed, because it like comes at the top. But we want coverage. So is that, y'all think that's okay? I guess we'll add more if we need to. And then we're just gonna go straight in. I don't know how full this is gonna be or how patchy it is. Oh, it's a little pale down there. Do y'all think it's a little pale? I mean, I'm kind of much just doing. We're going for light coverage because I can't just mix up the same batch. I mean, difficult to do. And it's okay if you don't get it under your eyes because we're gonna be applying concealer. So it is no biggie. I look like a freaking ghost. I'm gonna put it into my hairline too. It's not that dark, but like on camera I look like a freaking ghost. We're gonna pop in the Luxury Baking Powder by Revolution. I've tried this out a million times and I absolutely do not like it, but I'm gonna give it another try this video today because I've tried a different I'm gonna try a different technique on applying it. Hopefully it works. If not, then we're gonna crease. But I have a little bit of leftover concealer, so I'm gonna put it under my eyes and on my nose. Okay, it is just matches my skin, but it is this Revolution Conceal Define. Literally no more left. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna pour some out and take that brush. I I just applied the banana powder under my eyes. Hopefully it works. I mean, do the same thing to the other side. And we're gonna go onto the forehead. I have a scar on my forehead that I do try to cover up with makeup when I do a full face of makeup. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now we're gonna try the same technique. Trying to go on with a little bit at a time, but I'm too impatient. Here always creases for me. Now I'm looking like a ghost. We need to bronze us up. So I pretty much did that part. I'm gonna bronze and blush. So do you guys want to see that? Should I show that? You know what? First I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray. I look like I have no top lip. I don't know if it ever gets where I want it to go. I freaking sprayed it up my nostril. I'm going to bronze and blush, and then I will be right back to show you guys the highlight and the diamonds and all like the rest of the part. So I pretty much finished the rest of the look. I put bronzer, blush, white liner with mascara. So I pretty much did everything except for the highlight and the diamonds. So we're gonna go under some diamonds. I'm trying to think if I want big diamonds or tiny ones. I think we'll go with big ones. So basically you're just gonna take glue and put it where you want it. So I think I want one on each side right here. Wait, no, I want one right under my like brow bone, the arch. A dot of glue right there and on the other side, and then we'll use these semi big diamonds, and then I'm gonna put it on my finger like that. And it's not really dry yet or tacky, dry a little bit, and then we're gonna start popping them on. And there we go, there's one diamond. Grab another one, and we'll go in a little closer. You guys can see I have it right above my brow bone, and then I think I want to add one right at the end of the eyebrow. Girl, look at that, so cute. I'm thinking, I don't know, I want to put it, no, I think I'm gonna ruin it. I think it's perfect the way it is. Girl, look at us. Okay, so I was going to originally pop in some contacts, but I don't know if I want to. We'll add a little bit of this highlight, not the other one actually. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush, my Fenty Beauty, just really get it in there, and then apply it. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna figure out what lip I'm gonna use, and I will be right back. I finally picked a lip color. It was like a mixture of like 4 different lipsticks and concealers and whatever. I don't know if I like it. I might change it. I think it's a little too light. I usually am more of like the really dark, not really dark, but like semi-darker lipsticks. But I guess this one works. Alright, so that is it. Thank you for getting ready with me. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you recreate it, tag me. My Insta is like right here. Tag me, girl. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video.